Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to compare top 10 AI tools for generating content. So let me go and type ChatGPT, and here I want to generate the content for top 10 web hosting companies 2025. Write for each. Maximum content length 700 words. Then press enter. So guys, now here you can see it has started thinking, and within next few seconds it will start generating the content. So this one is the content that we got with ChatGPT. Now let's go back and use another AI tool, that is Gemini. I can copy the same thing and add it here. Okay, I think this tool is very fast, as ChatGPT was taking much of the time. And here you can see we got all the content within 5 to 10 seconds. Now let's use another AI tool, that is DeepSeek. This one, and add the title here. So if you have noticed one thing, this one is adding these bold headings and subheadings. So content is looking very professional and SEO friendly. Last and fourth one that I want to use is meta.ai. So this one, okay, this content is looks very different from these AI tools generated content. And in the last, here you can see this one is the link to that web hosting company. So I want to ask from you a question: which of these AI tool you like and which AI tool you want to recommend? So one of the most important thing, if you want to remove AI from this text, then you can use this one, Stealth AI tool. So this one is the paid tool that you can get it, and after that you can humanize your AI generated content. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.